Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can reduce the background noise in Microsoft Teams meeting. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to your Microsoft Teams website or desktop or app or whatever your device that you are currently using. And now that you're here, you will just have to go to the Meet section, which is on the left panel of your screen. And now that you're here, you will just have to either create a meeting link or you could schedule a meeting or join with the meeting ID and make sure that all of the information that you've entered here are all correct so that you will be able to join the meeting successfully. And now that you're here, again, you will just have to click the join option or join button if you have it already. And now that you're here, you will just have to click more actions, which is right here, that three dots icon. And what you will do basically is you will search for the device settings or audio settings. And what you will do is just click that and wait for it to load. So here you should see something like suppression, but if you cannot see it, try looking for the settings and then click meeting options. So it should be right here. It really depends on the layout of your screen. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. But if you cannot find it here, you could also go to your main settings. So leave the meet and you will just have to go to your settings, click settings and look for devices, and here you should see the noise suppression if it is available for you. So basically what you will have to do is just select high for maximum noise reduction, and then you will just have to test your microphone using make a test call to hear the difference. And make sure, by the way, that you have the full version of the website or the app so that you will be able to actually see these features. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.